Efficiency in the operations of local authorities was enhanced last year.
And that work will continue in fiscal year 2015-2016. With the assistance of its multilateral and bilateral partners, government has budgeted approximately $10 billion to make it happen. Beyond taking care of its administrative costs, the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development's recurrent budget in 2015-2016 will finance some important projects. They include $40.7 million to continue local government reform. As part of its allocation, the National Solid Waste Management Authority will complete works on the transfer station being established in Westmoreland. Among other things, ODPEM is setting aside $10 million to buy food supplies to be stored for victims in the event of natural disasters. $50 million goes to the National Disaster Fund to be used for the coordination of relief activities in the event of a natural disaster or other emergency situations. The Jamaica Fire Brigade is getting money to maintain and rehabilitate fire hydrants island-wide, repair fire vehicles, buy critical equipment, and facilitate repairs and maintenance of fire stations. $362.97 million is also budgeted to buy fire and other emergency vehicles. Meanwhile, $50.5 million is being committed for poor relief services and the protection and care of the homeless. And in addition to budgetary support from the ministry, the parish councils are projected to earn $9.7 billion from property tax payments and motor vehicle license fees to finance their operations. Jamaica's multilateral and bilateral partners are also contributing to the work of the Local Government and Community Development Ministry in 2015-2016 through the funding of three major projects. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is providing $127.9 billion to continue the community-based landslide risk reduction program. The main goal is to reduce the risk of natural disasters in vulnerable Jamaican communities and provide an evidence-based toolkit for vulnerability reduction throughout the Caribbean. The Inter-American Development Bank, meanwhile, is allocating $15 billion to address the main environmental, urban, and fiscal issues affecting the long-term sustainability of Montego Bay. And the government of Mexico is committing $30 million to continue work started last year to repair the access road to the Riverton City landfill using concrete.
The ministry has been unwavering in its commitment in ensuring that resources, with very limited resources, we maximize the impact we have on households and communities.
The resources have been allocated to continue this mission in the new fiscal year. Now it's on to the work.